How to backfill gel nails with Up U gel. We will use the Brilliant B200 Professional Electric Nail System to remove and refine the nails. Start the gel polish removal with a medium carbide bit at the speed between 18,000 to 22,000 RPM. Refine the cuticle and buff the nail with a medium diamond bit. Reshape the nails with a 150 grit hand file. Apply non-acid primer on the natural nail area. Use the U-Gel Extend Builder Gel and apply a slip layer on the entire nail. Add a small bead of the gel and start pushing the gel close to the cuticle. Slowly glide the gel down toward the free edge. For more detail, use a detail brush to fill the gel in the corners. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds with the rechargeable flash cure light. Full cure for 60 seconds in the LED lamp after complete the whole hand. Apply the gel polish as desired. Apply the U-Shine non-wipe gel top for a beautiful shiny look. Add the design as desired. Thanks for watching.